All arms and light weapons.
There are many guns out there, both legal and illegal. This country has gone through so many rebellions. Most people disappeared with their guns. Eastern DRC, Congo, South Sudan, Takana region. All these are areas of serious conflict ever since. And the guns just keep moving to and fro. Beyond 30th of April 2016, all unmarked and unregistered firearms will be forfeited under Section 4 and 33 of the Firearms Act. After the 30th of April, all those firearms registered should be brought to Kibuli Kibuli Central Firearms Registry so that they can all be marked and given numbers.
My name is